Three, two, one. Hello, YouTube. This is Vas from Los Angeles. How are you doing? I'm doing great. Okay, lot to have covered from last week or 2 weeks ago. Yeah, that was a busy week. I had a lot of things to do. I haven't had a chance to make a video and talk about our favorite tickers, 3x leverage stuff. Yeah, so let's get started. First of all, this surprise. They said, oh, the Fed reduced the rate, market collapsed. It's all bullshit nonsense. It's all bullshit nonsense. For instance, for the Web 3x Web leverage ETF, we predicted a couple weeks ago, yeah, almost 2 weeks ago, right there. Go back, check my video. The ticker hits its upper limit boundary. Yes, it's kind of crawled there, close the line, kind of jiggles, then sudden collapse. We are expecting that. Yeah, it hits its upper limits. Of course, it's gonna change the tone. What I am anticipating to see is that MACD ticker, MACD indicator, kind of change its position. Basically, this blue line crosses red line. Then 100% this gonna be in the bear market. Look, this change, so it was so pronounced that it affects the line. Yes, completely. It's changed the tone. So I'm assuming next week it's a Christmas, then New Year. I don't know. Maybe you're not gonna see happens in next 2 weeks because we are hitting the Christmas holidays and New Year after that. It's gonna be very rough. Usually the market doesn't change, but after the 6th, Monday, 2 weeks from now, for sure. For sure. The second, third, for sure. You're gonna see a big move. So couple days, couple weeks, this goes maybe right around this blue line, this lower limit of this small channel here. But eventually this has to correct itself at least like 25 to 50%, no more than that. Yeah, it's not gonna go down all the way to this blue line, very unlikely. However, having said that, all days paranoid survive. You have to check, double check, triple check your criteria. And then, as I mentioned in my previous video, my criteria is the bullish bearish channels and double checking that with the MACD if it breaks. I'm not so low on the MACD because it has a time lag. Yeah, when the peak happens, it takes a while for MACD to respond, so you lose a lot of momentum. So I don't rely on the MACD because it has a phase shift. If you know about signal systems, time delay in the time domain translate to the phase shift in the frequency domain. Anyway, so having said that, that I hope you enjoyed like a 10%. If you maintain your hold, you're gonna see another change, hopefully. But you never know. Maybe some surprise happens, this goes up, which is very, very unlikely, very unlikely. Okay, the next, it's semiconductor, 3x leverage semiconductor, SOXL. Yeah, oh yeah. We had a big surprise. Actually, it surprised me too. It was an earning call. Let me put this one. I know it was a Qualcomm or Broadcom earning call that pushed this to this point, basically this day. It was a earning call from Qualcomm, I guess, if I'm not mistaken. Qualcomm had a good earning call that changed the tone. It moved up, breaks this, but right after that, it's like went down all the way. I'm not into different technical analysis like a triangular shape, but this is very classic triangular shape. Yeah, where is that? Here. Yeah, if you put this is classic triangular. Yeah. So if the market is bearish and you have a resistance line, this line gonna broke, gonna go down. Very unlikely you're gonna see a bullish leverage semiconductor in foreseeable future. Very unlikely. For a long period of time, we're gonna see a bleeding, decaying of this. It's gonna take time for the SOXL to adjust. Yeah. Imagine if it reached here, $11. Wow. Wow, man. Anyway, yes, well, it's very unlikely that market gonna bounce back right here. It's gonna take a while to adjust itself. Very unlikely, at least for now. If you check even for long term, this is one of my techniques. If you check the 1 week time frame, you're gonna see, yeah, the MAC is going down. By the way, how it's correct? What's the correct pronunciation of this indicator? MACD. Anyway, yeah, look at this. When it crossed, it took a year to correct. Now, almost 2 years bullish trend. We are heading to the bearish. It's gonna take at least 6-7 months. So we passed like 4 months, for sure 2 months more, 4 months more. Yeah, it's kind of aligned up to here, which is like a second quarter of next year. For sure, the first quarter, nothing gonna happen. Everyone is worried. So second quarter, hopefully. Let's see what the Trump gonna do. Okay, what else I wanna cover? What else? What else? Oh, yeah. Of course. The other one. MicroSector. MicroSector, well, not bad. Even with this basically surprise that we had 2 days ago, it didn't really change a lot. We are still in its bullish channel. I'm assuming this goes down here, but whether it's gonna go to complete bearish. Let's check it in the 1 week time frame. So in 1 week time frame, still, yeah, these two lines touches each other in the indicator, MAC indicator. But yeah, I guess for now, even that surprise didn't change the tone here. So it's not gonna affect much. Oh, by the way, let's extend this just in case. Okay. Yeah, it's very far from reaching the upper limit of the all time. Yeah, for so far, I guess it's okay. It's moving up. Okay, that's it. Stay safe, stay sharp, stay paranoid. Only paranoid survive.